Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today is one of my favorite days of the month. It is time to unbox the December 2019 Scentsy Whiff Box together. If you are newer to Scentsy or newer to my channel and you don't know what this is a mystery box filled to the brim of Scentsy goodies. We don't know what's in them. They do change from month to month, and the best part about this, you don't have to have a subscription if you don't want to. You can add this to your Scentsy Club subscription, or you can buy as many of these as you would like to throughout the month. I actually don't have this in my Scentsy Club. I did for a long time, but I am the most impatient person there is. I just don't want to wait for this to come. Scentsy Club processes on the second and third Tuesday of every month, and I just don't want to wait that long. So I always place my first kind of haul order on the first of the month. So this was a part of that. Now you will see the rest of that haul in probably tomorrow's video. So let's go ahead and unbox this. These are $30, and like I said, you don't need a subscription. You can purchase one of these if you want to, or if you feel like this would be fun as like a gift for someone. These are great. They're 30 bucks. You can buy as many of them as you want to, and you're not tied into any kind of contract or subscription. So it's fantastic. So already, one of the things I love so much about this box is just how pretty the box is. So if you are looking for a way to maybe store your bars, these boxes are great for that. So love that. Now let's go ahead and open it up. So right inside we have, on the inside, it says Scent with Love. And then inside here, there's always going to be a little piece of paper on the inside, and that's gonna give you an idea of what the box is all about. So let's check it out together, friends. So this says last minute stocking stuffers. And then on the inside, a little to and from labels for maybe your gifts. So let's see here. For the Holly Berry Cinnamon Enthusiast. Ooh. For the Fragrance Fanatic. For the Canine Cuddler. So cute. For the Misting Maniac. And for the Clean Friend. So this would be really good as a gift, you guys. So let's see, on the back here, this is where it's going to give us the most information. So Scentsy Whiff Box, last minute stocking stuffers is the theme. December's Whiff Box is your holiday helper with some last minute stocking stuffers and jolly gift tags. Available exclusively to Whiff Box, customers this month, our Holly Berry Cinnamon Scentsy Bar will get everyone in a festive mood. Honestly, you might have to keep a couple of these goodies for yourself. Happy holidays. Share your unboxing moment with hashtag happy whiffing. So that's super fun. Love that. And I mean, you can absolutely use this for the holiday season, right? So right underneath that, we have a little bit of tissue paper, and then we have the goodies inside. So love that. This is packed to the brim. Absolutely to the brim. It's only $30. You are definitely getting at least that. But at the end of this video, I will total out what this box is valued at. So first thing right off the bat, I see the fragrance mist in Shimmer. So that's fun. And one thing I do want to say is that the contents may vary in this. Now, obviously, you should get, at least at the bare minimum, you should get the Holly Berry Cinnamon Scentsy Bar in here, but the fragrances of the other products may change from time to time. So if your box is a little bit different from mine, don't be surprised, but it should be the same products. Just, depending on what they have as far as availability goes, it may change a little bit. But we have the Shimmer Fragrance Mist. I love this, and I think it's perfect for the fragrance mist. It's kind of a sweet, perfumey kind of cherry scent. It's really, really nice though. I did love this in wax form, and I actually do have this in a fragrance mist, and I do really, really like it. So, and this is the perfect size for your bag or backpack or anything like that. So perfect. So love that. And then we also have a Freshen Up Pup Dog Deodorizing Spray in Honey and Chamomile. I already have this in Honey and Chamomile, and I absolutely love it. So I'm happy to have some more of this. So we've got that. And then we also have a Counter Clean and Go-Go Mango. I am really excited for this because I love me some Counter Clean. I literally use Counter Clean on absolutely everything, and you guys are gonna laugh. I use this on everything except for my kitchen counters. I personally hate this for granite countertops. It leaves kind of like a weird, I don't want to say film, but kind of a film, I guess. But honestly, everywhere else, if you have stainless steel appliances, I use this in the countertops in our bathroom because in our bathrooms we do have tile countertops. So this works great for that. This also works amazing on carpet stains. It works way better than any like pet stain spray I've ever used. This is fantastic. So this literally, I mean, this was getting blood out of our out of the dog beds when Deuce was bleeding from his snout so much. It was like he was bleeding constantly every single day. And so I was doing the laundry, but sometimes it would seep through to like parts of the bed that you can't wash. So I took care of it with the Counter Clean, and this stuff works wonders. And then obviously you can't throw your carpet into the washer. So obviously shampooing your carpets is best, but for like spot cleaning, this actually works amazing. So keep that in your back pocket. And then we also have, oh, bummer. We also have, I'll show you what I just bummered here in just a sec. We have 2 full-size bars. We have Holly Berry Cinnamon. This is actually not a current fragrance. This was available last year, and it is really nice. I'm not huge into cinnamon scents, but this is done well. It kind of smells like a cinnamon, it kind of smells like a cinnamon potpourri a little bit. So it is like a Christmas tree kind of scent with a holiday cinnamon finish. So it's nice. I mean, I'm not gonna kick it out of my warmers. And then we also have the scent of the month, Pretty in Plaid. This one I don't really care for. It's not my thing. It's very woody and masculine, and in my opinion, it's woody and masculine, and there's a little bit of like a sour note to this for me. So I just don't love it. I've got a lot of friends that do like this, so I'm happy for you. But it's just not really my cup of tea. But the Holly Berry Cinnamon is really nice, so I will enjoy that. So not only those full-size products, but we also have samples. So we have 2 samples of Amazon Rain washer whiffs. My husband's gonna be happy about that. He prefers Amazon Rain in the laundry line, so we'll just add that to his stash. But this is great. So this is a great opportunity to be able to try. The last several boxes, we have gotten some sort of laundry line sample. So this is a great way to be able to try some things that maybe you wouldn't try otherwise without, without having to buy a full-size product. So that's really nice. That way, if you don't know if you're gonna like the laundry liquid, or you don't know if you're gonna like the washer whiffs, this is a great way to give them a try without like a huge commitment. So that's great. And then we also have, this is what I'm like womp womp about, is my thingy came off. You usually get 1 or 2. Did we just get 1? Just 1. I mean, everything else, this is a huge box. We have 1 sample of the scent of the month for next month. This is by far my favorite part of this box because it gives us a chance to sneak sniff the scent of the month for next month. And that's not just available for consultants. You guys can get this box too. So consultants do have the opportunity to get a box called the Scent and Warmer of the Month, or just the Scent of the Month, where we are given the opportunity to purchase a kit that has like all kind, like bars of the Scent of the Month, a warmer if you want, rub and sniff stickers, a room spray, like all kinds of stuff for like marketing materials and stuff. And so we're able to share it with you a little bit early. But this is available for customers as well. So, and this comes before our Scent and Warmer of the Month kits do. So this is awesome. So the scent is called Inhale Exhale, and I was super intrigued by this. I'm gonna pull up the notes here. Let's pull this up. I'll find it here in just a sec, but I'm kind of bummed that the top part came off. I don't know, it like kind of melted a little bit. I live in California, so, but it hasn't been hot, so I don't know Okay, so let's give this a sniff test. It sounds like it's gonna smell really good and kind of clean. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really, really nice. This to me, oh, there's like, it has like a little bit of a creamy vanilla finish, but there's kind of a cool fruity note in front. What is that? Well, let's find out. Oh, geez, don't throw things. And then I'll total out what this box value is for you guys. Where is it? And the warmer of the month is going to be absolutely stunning. There's gonna be 2 options. And I'm not gonna spoil it for you. I'm gonna make you wait. I'm gonna make you wait until I get my kit. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful though. I'm so excited, and we've never done anything else like it. Okay, seriously, where? January. Scent of the month. Sorry, this is probably really painful for you guys, but I want to give you the scent description. Yeah, it's definitely a cool, like fresh kind of scent, but a little bit fruity. Here we go. Okay, scent is called Inhale, Exhale, Search for Inner Peace with Salted Citrus, Calming Freesia, and Solar Woods. So I don't get like a super strong woody note to it, but yeah, it's that salted citrus that's like, it's a little different. That's why I'm like, it does smell fruity, but it's a different kind of fruity. It is, so that salted citrus and calming freesia. That's really, really nice. I like that. So that's going to be available starting January 1st, but you can get your hands on it in the Whiff Box. So, okay, let's total this out here. So we have 2 full-size bars. Those are $6 each. Let me pull up my calculator. So we have $12 there. And then we have the Freshen Up Pup Dog Deodorizing Spray, and that is $10. And then we have the Fragrance Mist, and that is $9. So already, just with those items, you're already at $31. So you're already getting your money's worth there. But then we're throwing in the counter clean as well, and that's a $10 value. So $41 in just full-size products, plus you're also getting your hands on the Scent and Warmer of the Month sample a little bit early, and you're also getting a couple of samples in the laundry line, in the washer whiffs. So that's totally worth it in my opinion. I think that this is probably one of the better boxes that I've seen. Honestly, I feel like each one that comes, I'm like, this is the best box. But this is, I mean, look at all these full-size products without even just the samples. You're getting so many full-size products. You're getting your bars, you're getting your fragrance mist, I mean, look at all this. So you're getting, this is $41 just right here, and you're only gonna pay 30 bucks for it. So that's awesome. I love it. I'm definitely happy with this box. This is available during the month of December, and like I said, contents may vary in terms of fragrance, but you should still get a counter clean. It may not be in Go-Go Mango, it may be in a different scent. You should still get the dog deodorizing spray, but it may not be in honey and chamomile. It may be a different scent. Same goes for Shimmer. I would say, the fragrance mist. I would say that the bars will probably stay the same, especially because it's the scent of the month. And then the Holly Berry Cinnamon is kind of what this theme has been, just based on that paper. So I think it's totally worth it. So, all right, you guys, let me know your thoughts on this box. If you have gotten your box, what your thoughts are. If you've gotten to sniff out the scent of the month for January, let me know your thoughts. I can't wait to warm that. I think that's gonna be great. And honestly, I feel like that's gonna pair really well with the Frozen collection, which we're actually gonna talk about very, very soon. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.